Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to start Zoom meeting. So, first of all, we need to get Zoom. So go ahead to your browsers and then go to Zoom and then go to zoom.us and then click on sign up for free. After that, you just have to fill this information so we can do whatever you want. So, for example, here I'm going to put something like so, continue, and then email address. You can put whatever email address you'd like. So, let me just put this as an example. And to actually like ignore all of that, you can just sign in using your Google account, Gmail, Facebook, or Apple Pay. So, I'm going to use my Gmail to like make it fast. And here you go. Now you can actually start meeting through here. How you can do that? You can just go here to schedule a meeting. So let's schedule a meeting. And here you can actually make it start at like now by, for example, let's make it by 10. So or 9, so or 8:30. So here we go. Duration 1 hour, as you can see. Time zone. Let's make it for Casablanca. As you can see, template. You can choose whatever template, none. And here we go. And we can like make it off and save. And now, as you can see, here is my meeting. So, invite link, here it is. And if you want to start it, I can just click here to start it. Here it goes. And basically, all you need now to is to install Zoom on your PC, as you can see, and then sign into your account. So let me just install it real quick, as you can see here. So here it is installing. It is pretty much simple and pretty fast in the installing process. Now it is 95%. Let's give it the access. So here it goes. Sorry guys, here we go. So now I'm going to do is join a meeting, connecting, and that's pretty much it. So so here I am. Join with computer audio or not, but yeah, this is the room, and this is like the meeting, and here is the call, so anyone can join me. So hey guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching. Bye bye.